Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Dianfan Telescope, a fantastic telescope for astronomy enthusiasts of all levels. With a 90mm aperture and 800mm focal length, this telescope provides excellent light-gathering power and delivers sharp and bright images of celestial objects, even in low-light conditions. It's perfect for exploring the stars and the moon. The Dianfan Telescope comes with two high-quality eyepieces and a 3x Barlow lens, allowing for magnifications from 32x to 240x. It's easy to assemble and use, making it a great choice for beginners, kids, and adults alike. The telescope also comes with a sturdy stainless steel tripod, ensuring stability and ease of use. And with Dianfan's satisfaction guarantee, you can trust that you'll receive a prompt and satisfactory response to any issues you may encounter. So, if you're ready to take your astronomy game to the next level, be sure to check out the Dianfan Telescope. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy stargazing.